Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring safety and orientation. If your ring is hardwired, turn off the breaker because you want no live voltage while you remove it. Once done, note the camera angle and mounting alignment with a quick photo so reinstallation is exact. Make sure you have the small release pin or screwdriver and the ring micro USB or proprietary cable ready. Next, locate the security screw at the bottom and use the tool to pop the faceplate. That's the first actionable step toward taking the unit off the wall. Once the faceplate is off, you remove the mounting screw and slide the ring up or away from the bracket, depending on model. You do this carefully to avoid snapping the bracket or straining wiring. Next, open the battery compartment or press the battery release tab and extract the battery. This prevents accidental power cycles. Make sure to inspect the contacts for debris or corrosion because clean connectors ensure reliable charging and reconnection when you reinstall the battery later. Charge the battery using the ring cable until the LED shows full. Charging time varies by model, so allow the recommended duration to preserve battery life. Once charged, reinsert the battery, power on the device, and confirm it boots and connects to Wi-Fi. This test avoids repeat removals. When satisfied, align the unit to your orientation photo, slide it into the bracket, and tighten the security screw. If the ring won't power on, try cleaning contacts and retrying. That single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.